Hike Connect is a powerful software that helps users with security system management using a PC and mobile devices. Trusted by millions of users, it provides efficient, easy access to multiple security applications and functions with just a few taps of the finger. Applications such as video monitoring, real-time alarms, and access control. Now users can achieve cloud-based attendance management with Hike Connect and our face recognition terminals. It solves many problems encountered by conventional systems, such as high startup costs, poor management of dispersed attendance sites, and complex maintenance. Through Hike Connect, human resources departments can edit basic employee information online and launch applications for employees to collect their attendance information. Employees can also receive notifications in real time. Once the employee information is complete, HR can view and confirm the information via Hike Connect and assign authorization to specified groups or individual personnel according to the attendance template. When employees arrive at an attendance site, they can check in or out just using facial verification and perform attendance tasks simultaneously. If it's not convenient for an employee to reach a specified attendance site, they can check in and out remotely on Hike Connect using GPS clocking. When going off-site for business purposes, employees can complete attendance tasks via Hike Connect around a recognized location. Also, employees can check personal attendance results easily using their phone. For decision makers and managers, even if you are out for business, you can access attendance reports anytime as needed. Select the desired time spans and then easily read through the report with its clear presentation. Of course, attendance reports can be generated and sent automatically to HR at regular time intervals. As a professional cloud-based attendance solution provider, we endeavor to create an easy-to-operate platform for centralized management across multiple sites, featuring cost reduction, remote maintenance, comfortable attendance experience for users, maximum cloud security, and a free trial period, which is excellent for small and medium-sized enterprises. Please contact a service provider for more details. The solution helps any business operate and manage efficiently. Manage with ease, anytime, anywhere.